In today's busy world, every person is a pillar supporting society. Everyone is striving to achieve their own goals, but many people are too focused on immediate matters and ignore the signals from their bodies, causing accelerated aging and faster skin dullness. This often leads to the need for medical consultation or aesthetic treatments to deal with the body's conditions. The best way to address these is not through treatment, but through prevention. To start prevention before accumulation or aging, we launched a new product, Time Reversal Hood, TRH, equipped with a new generation resonant rotator, built-in bi-energy harmonics chips, tri-band nanometer near-infrared ray. To maintain hair health, there are 3 nanometer lightweight energy generators on the top of the head, super-powered resonance devices placed beside the ears and on the back of the head. Time Reversal Hood makes your face fresh and rosy. For health and beauty enthusiasts like you, it is the ultimate healthcare device. Here is a basic introduction to the TRH. The front of the TRH features 2 9-core chips, totaling 18 cores. Each earpiece of the TRH has a set of 30-core rotating chips. The top cover also contains 2 75-core chips, totaling 150 cores. The inner side of the TRH features a silicone cushion for relaxation and massage of the head. Next, as for the back side of the TRH, the back of the TRH also includes a set of 30-core rotating chips, with the left side housing the battery compartment and the right side containing the power switch and charging port. How to wear the TRH? First, turn the knobs on both sides backward. Next, rotate the top cover to the left. Adjust the TRH to its widest and most comfortable position. This will make it easier for us to wear. After wearing the TRH, use both hands to push inward from the front and back of the TRH. Then slightly press down the top cover. Use the knobs to make fine adjustments until you find the most comfortable and suitable head circumference. Now you can start using the TRH. The switch of the TRH has 3 stages. The first stage is to turn on all the nanolights of the TRH with a single press. The second stage, a second press, turns off all the nanolights while activating all the rotating chips. The third stage, a third press, turns on both the nanolights and the rotating chips. Pressing the switch once again will turn off the TRH.